With construction starting soon in the Student Services Center, it may feel like a real-life Where's Waldo when it comes to finding your favorite student services. Now, before you panic, don't worry. Access and accommodations, career services, veteran services, registration, and financial aid, they're all still here, just playing a bit of hide and seek. But how do I find these offices? Follow the floor stickers. Yes, those little colorful things on the ground that are practically screaming, hey, come this way, we've got answers. And if you're not into looking down, because phone addiction, fear not. We've also got these big, beautiful posters on the walls, basically yelling, look at me, I'm your new destination. Think of it like a campus-wide scavenger hunt. But instead of hunting for treasure, you're hunting for knowledge and services. So remember, if you're lost, just follow the signs, the stickers on the floor, or the posters on the walls. Happy hunting, College of DuPage.